Hi, my name is Jadesha Williams, and my project is Does acid rain affect the growth of aquatic plants? This is just the table of contents. We have the title page, the table of contents, the abstract, the introduction, the experiment, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgments, references, and attachments. For my abstract, my problem was how can acid rain affect the growth of aquatic plants? Well, I think that the plant with the acid will grow faster because adding chemicals may possibly make the growing process faster than the normal plant. In conclusion, the plant that was being watered with acid grew faster than the one that was being watered with regular water. My hypothesis was proven correct because I assumed that the water with acid would make the plant grow faster since chemicals was applied. This is the procedure I followed to conduct the experiment. Acid rain affects the growth of aquatic plants because the acid includes all of the necessities the plants will need in order for it to grow, such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. My hypothesis was proven correct because the plant that was being watered with acid grew faster than the plant that was being watered with regular water. I chose this project because it could possibly be useful for me in the future and especially to my mom who really likes planting. This experiment would be useful to society because workers who own flower shops could grow their plants faster when it comes to selling them. My materials for the experiment was 2 plant pots, potting soil, 1 package of plant seeds. I did use sunflower seeds, 2 spray bottles, lemon juice, direct light source, and a permanent marker. The independent variable was the water, the dependent variable was the plants, and the control variable was the water. This is the pictures of the plants, the process of it growing. The normal plant is a lot shorter than, well, not a lot shorter, but somewhat shorter than the acid rain plant. And it says acid rain is created from pollutants in the air. Acid rain causes the release of substances that are toxic to other living things in the atmosphere, to the soil. It affects aquatic plants because the acid will dissolve the nutrients that's necessary for the plant to grow. Researchers found out that acid water dissolves the nutrients and minerals within the soil and begin to wash them away. Aquatic plants also have special adaptations. In conclusion, my hypothesis was proven correct. The plant that was being watered with acid grew faster than the plant that was being watered with regular water. My hypothesis formed due to the fact that the acid water was created with chemicals. This being said, I assumed that the plant that was being watered with acid would grow faster because this is what chemicals are typically used for. This would be very useful for society today because flower shops and plant owners could use acid water as a faster and more efficient way to grow their plants. And these are acknowledgments. They're just to thank my parents and my teacher for helping me. And these are the references I use in the websites. And this is a graph of the results of the plants. So as you can see, the acid plant is a lot more taller than the normal plant.